Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about most missed question on test number 1. So the first problem is, which expression is equivalent to 2r parenthesis 2.5s plus 10 minus 3 r times r plus 4 plus s times r minus 1. So this one is basically a distributed property. In other words, we're going to distribute the 2r to each of the term inside the parenthesis. So first, distribute means you multiplying, okay? So the first, I'm going to multiply 2r by 2.5s. 2r times 2.5 gives you 5. R times s gives you rs. So whenever we have the two variables that are different, multiply to each other, we're just going to rewrite them next to each other. Okay. The second term is 2r times 10. So 2r times 10 gives you 20r. Next one, we do it exactly the same way right here every time we see parentheses. So let's multiply negative 3 by r. We have negative 3r. Okay, and then negative 3 multiplied by 4. I have negative 12. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go ahead and distribute the s to the r minus 1. So s times r give you positive sr. S times negative 1 give you negative s. Alright, so this is my expression after I distribute. Okay, so now we're going to combine the like terms. In other words, we add all the variables with all the terms with the same variable. So here I have 5rs. I'm going to combine with the one with the sr or rs. So here I have this one. 5 plus 1 give you 6rs. Okay. Second one, I'm going to distribute the r together. Here I have plus 20r minus 3r, or subtract 3r. I have a total of plus 17r. And then here I have an s minus s. And the last but not least, we're going to put out our constant or our number. So my final answer is 6rs plus 7r minus s minus 12. So let's go ahead and check all of our answer. It turns out our final answer, is correct answer is D. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Which expression is equivalent to 5a minus 3 minus subtract by 2a plus 7. So this is another distributed property problem. So first we're going to distribute a 5a minus 3. The same 5a minus 3 gives you the same one because in front it's just 1. Okay, now let's distribute a negative to each of the term inside. Remember, every time you distribute a negative, it's actually a negative 1. Okay, so it's actually negative 1 times 2a plus 7. So let's go ahead and distribute negative 1 to each of the term inside. So let me rewrite it 5a minus 3. Negative 1 times 2a give you negative 2a. Negative 1 multiplied by 7 give you a negative 7. So next we're going to combine like terms just like we did earlier to the example right here. Okay, so let's combine the 5a and negative 2a. Now the negative right here telling you to subtract, right? So let's go ahead and 5 minus 2 give you 3a. Negative 3 minus 7 give you a negative 10. So my final answer is A, 3a minus 10. Alright, thank you for watching. We're going to continue part 2 in the next video. Bye bye.